Question number 39. A pure sample of mass m of a radioactive substance with half-life and an initial activity at A0. What are the half-life and initial activity of a pure sample of mass 2m? Okay, the question is about, see, if you have a sample, nuclear sample of mass m, then the half-life is T. But if you have the same mass as 2m, that means what? If you take twice the mass of the sample, then what will happen to the half-life and the initial activity? So half-life remains the same because half-life will not change. If you want, I can show you by a graph. So this is how you infer the half-life. Let us say this was my initial number of atoms in the sample, okay, and which had a mass m over here. So as a result of it, what kind of curve you get? You get a curve like this over here, right? And then how do you draw the half-life? So if this is n, you locate what is n by 2 here, draw a line here, and then put a line here, and then you say this is your T half, right? And now, if suppose if the sample is doubled, which means what? Now the sample is somewhere over here, 2n over here, because the mass is also n, m 2m. So therefore sample number of atoms in the sample also gets doubled. Then how should the curve look like? The curve will start like this and will go like this over here. Will go like this and it will be concentric with respect to the actual one. So it will be like this. Now how do you find out what is the half-life here? So 2n has become n. So once again draw this line over here and then draw this line over here. This will be again intersecting at the point T here. Okay. Now we also know, so therefore this is correct and this is correct. These two are incorrect. We also know that n, dn by dt is equal to a, right? So which means that slope that you get in case of n versus t is nothing but the activity. In other words, a follows n over here. The rate at which the number of atoms falls is proportional to the a activity. In other words, both the curves appear to be similar. Which means what? So if n increases by 2n, a should also increase by 2a. The right answer is B.